Please give me a sign if you wanna come. Please give me a sign.
Jesse Gard, give us a wave.
Ah, beauty boy, yes, look, booking views for days, turn around.
No, the views here are.
That, oh yeah, here.
Phone is it out? I still can't see it.
What's up guys, HJJ here, back with another video on the Forever Flying channel. And welcome to the final video of the road trip. I think it's number 4, but honestly, I'm not too sure. We're currently hiking up to another set of cliffs. We went to Cliff Samora in one of the last videos. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. Go check out the other videos from the trip. And basically it was a really big flop. Probably should have said that later so you actually go and watch it. But yeah, this one, we're hoping for something special. And it's a nice clear day in the mountains. We've got a few mountain sheep there. Look, there's one, there's two, maybe 2 different species. Prepare to be amazed, I hope.
'Cause this is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah. This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah.
It's actually mad how high we are up, and it's not even windy. Like, look, his hair is not even wafting in the wind. It's not even wafting.
No waft.
No waft. In this bag, I have a load of stones that I collected on the beach on day 1 to skim on the lake in Watford. And you know what? Take him. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So this morning we woke up to this, which probably looks familiar to you because we didn't move. We got the sunset last night, as you saw, some absolutely beautiful footage. Shout out to Film for the drone shots. And we did find Jess in the end. We kind of lost Jess. Sorry, Jess. Well, good news is we found Jess, but she's well over there. We came down and it was like 12 o'clock at night by the time we got down. And we were like, you know what, we'll just get the sleeping bags out and sleep in the car. So that's what we did.
I'm alive.
She's alive.
I'm alive.
we thought we lost you last night. Well, sorry, we hoped. Isn't that right, Film? Yeah. On to Giant's Causeway, let's go.
Yeah, homeboy, I'm telling you goodbye, I'm telling you goodbye. Yeah, homeboy, I'm telling you goodbye, I'm telling you goodbye.
I do love me some shapes. If you're man for the shapes, Giant's Causeway is definitely for you.
We're just a boy.
Huh?
We're just a boy. Food. I mean, like, what are we gonna do here? Walk and look at water? Like,
Yeah, we've seen loads of water.
stuck.
So it's the final day of the road trip. The
Thank
last
God.
day.
JJ's a smelly. How did I shower? Like, what's it been? What day is it?
Day 12 today.
So
We
it's
need a
day
date.
11 of JJ not having a shower.
He is live. In fact, I have a towel that stinks of fun, and it stinks, doesn't it, Jess?
And JJ's gonna keep it because he's into that, I think.
So we're day 12, it's the last day of the road trip. Giant's Causeway was pretty cool yesterday, but today we are at Glendon Loch to look at some water again. We know you love the water. Then we're camping on a beach and not a hotel this time.
JJ's the type of guy
Shut up.
to pay somebody for their socks.
I got drunk off your demons. One sipping, I'm lovesick. Built a home, turned to ruins. Followed you into the night. Couldn't let you leave, watch you leave on. Nothing left, come to life.
The modern Tarzan. Oh!
You girl.
Goodbye.
And most of all, fuck you, bye.
Oh, what a wonderful world. If you can't see shit, it's bright as There we go. What a wonderful morning. It actually looks class. So, we had our final night of the road trip in this tent on this lovely beach. But all our stuff is sandy, so thanks, Fionn. But on a more positive note, it's a beautiful morning and it's nice to wake up to. Chef and cleaner Jess.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
No,
Enjoy. I'm going to do the outro to my vlog. You know, we'll come back when you're finished. You know, we'll leave you to it. I can hear the sad music playing already. Unfortunately, the road trip is coming to an end. And that means I'm gonna have to close the last vlog. If you've been following all the road trip videos, thank you very much. It's been an absolutely amazing experience and travel. It's been so sick. I want to give a big shout out to Jess and Fionn for this road trip experience. The both of them definitely made it. Jess for driving everywhere and Fionn for just being a head and getting some decent drone footage, you know, so that's kind of why we brought them along. No, but seriously, shout out to them. Make sure you go follow their Instagrams if you haven't already. They're really cool people. Definitely did it with the right people. I think we spent the whole other 2 weeks or 12 days or whatever just laughing 24/7, and we got to see some amazing places in Ireland which I didn't even know existed. Amazing experience. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Hopefully we can hit that 10k mark very soon. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next video.